Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Dear students, how are you? I think you all are well and doing well with your studies. Today's video is for those students who has opted fine arts, graphic art, applied art and sculpture as their optional paper. In this video, I have compiled all the details of the paintings, graphic art, sculptures in a table along with the other details. So, let's start. Please download the table by clicking the link at the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.